Hi, I'm Tony and I'm the pastry chef here at Nutmeg. We are gonna make a caramel apple bread pudding. So we're gonna start off with the eggs. We're gonna put the eggs into a bowl. You're gonna take the sugar and put that into the bowl also. And you're gonna wanna whisk that immediately because if you leave it, the sugar is going to start cooking the eggs. So this is how we're making the custard, and it's really, really simple. It takes about 5 minutes. So you're gonna whisk until that is all combined. Then you're gonna take your milk and just pour that right into the eggs and whisk that until that's all combined. And this is just a standard base. You can use any additions in here that you want. You can use any different fruit, but right now we have spiced apple, white chocolate, and pecans. So once that's done, you can put your vanilla, mix that around. This is the custard. This is just a standard custard. And then to this, we're gonna add all of the bread. I'm just gonna put it into this custard. And I like to just use my hands for this. Just mix it all around. You want all the bread to be completely coated. You're gonna take your apple and pour that inside. Mix that around too. It's okay that you're using your hands. Bread pudding's supposed to be really messy. And you'll have some cinnamon, so just sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Mix that around. And now you can add, if you like nuts, you can add the nuts to this too. I love nuts, so we're just gonna add all that. And white chocolate chips. And I like white chocolate chips too, so we're gonna add all that. All right, so that looks perfect. Okay, so in your pan that you have, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 325. And then you're just gonna take your bread and kind of move it over into the pan. It's fine that there's a lot of liquid because you want there to be a lot of liquid. It's gonna soak it up. Once you have that all together in there, just kind of smash it down into the liquid, and then you're going to cover it and let it sit for, you can let it sit overnight, or you can let it sit for about 2 hours. And you're gonna put this entire thing into the oven at 325 for 45 minutes, and then you're gonna uncover this, and then put it back in the oven for another 45 minutes, and it'll come out like that. It's perfect warmed up with ice cream or caramel sauce, or just by itself. This serves about 8 to 10 people. So you can order this online and call it in for curbside pickup at nutmegsd.com.